Greetings worldwide. Greetings one more time again. Welcome back to the channel. This is P64 Crypto Asset P64 Financial. Well, for some reason, YouTube is not uploading my videos. I don't know why, because I just started this channel and I don't think I have said anything that is out of line with their policy. So I don't know why they are not uploading the videos. I have about 3 videos that they did not upload, and I have quite a few content in it, quite a good contents in them, and I have good information that should be beneficial to my audience. Yet still they just refuse, or I don't know. I kind of research about it, why they are not uploading. It says that because YouTube is making the videos better, that way you can watch them in any device. But it's about 2-3 days, I will say 4 days, and that is very unusual, or it's very abnormal. It's not normal at all. So I have no answer for that right as of right now, but it is what it is. We're just gonna keep trying. Hopefully this one is uploaded and this information is passed on to the viewers. But basically what I was trying to say in those videos is that same thing I've been reiterating, that in this crypto market and the stock market, make sure you only have 3 assets or 3 crypto or 3 stocks. That way you are able to track these assets and manage them very well. In case of situation like what's happening this week, you are able to cut losses, minimize your losses, and hold cash. That way, like I said, I call it dry powder. That way you can take advantage of situations, But if you have no dry powder, things are going down and all your money is in the market, you get stressed out and you lose so much money. You don't get you don't get comfy, and it's very important how to play this game. That's why I say you always gotta need somebody who know this thing, and that way they can lead you. In prior videos that did not even upload, I recall saying that I was once a student, and I'm still a student. I'm still learning every day, but I learned from somebody to the point I got comfortable and started trading. And I've been saying in those videos, if you can go back to them and saw that I have said that since this downtrend started, I said this looked like a bear market to me, because lower lows is only indicating bearish. And because of that, I was even advising people to make sure they keep dry powder, they don't overextend themselves in the market. And I was saying in my yesterday video that I am getting vindicated because of those prior videos. I've been saying that in them, that you have to be hold some dry powder, because what I'm seeing, it looked like a bear market. And I even actually saying that I'm sorting some cryptos, because you can do that on Coinbase. And yes, I am on the money, so you don't just short things if you don't know how to read technicals. And I've been saying that on those videos as well. So the same thing with this one. I don't know why YouTube is not uploading my videos. I did research, try to reach out to them by email and trying to see what's going on, but I don't know why my videos are not uploaded. So it is what it is. I mean, the information that I was trying to convey there was just that self-custody is important. Like they said, it's not your if you don't hold your seed phrase, it's not your crypto. And that is very important. I have shown the Ledger Nano X that I have, and you know, trying to encourage people to get something like that, not that same hard wallet, but anything of that nature. That way they can custody their own crypto. And I was talking about the advantages of having a hard wallet like Ledger Nano X, the one I have, is because they can store multiple cryptos, lots and lots of different kind of cryptos, over hundreds of them, or 200-300 of cryptos. So they are not limited only to 5 or 10 or 80. So that's the advantage of that one. And I was also talking about the advantage of having a hard wallet. One of the advantages is, let's say they have an issue, or Coinbase got hacked. Let's say your cryptos are on Coinbase, because Coinbase is not FDIC insured. They have no obligation to pay you, you know, so it's a total loss. Okay, many things that I cannot recall here, but that's basically some of these things I was saying on those video, on the yesterday video. On the other two, I don't recall exactly what they are, because normally I don't record. Once I record my video, I upload them. I make sure I delete them in my phone. That way, you know, I have space to record more videos, because you know, I don't want to keep paying Apple for storage. You know, I have to minimize my, you know, that, because if I don't need it, why would I keep it? Okay, so that's that. And what we're seeing in the market today is same thing. It's lower lows. That is what is happening. And really, like I was saying in my yesterday video, there's uncertainty. You don't know when these lower lows will end. So the best thing you can do is make sure you are not fully invested. You know, you keep some dry powder. Like I have to keep iterating that way. You know the seriousness of it, because it's very important in investing. You know, if, let's say, I mean, I even said it in my last video yesterday that I tried to upload, but like I said, YouTube is not uploading them for some reason, for whatever reason, I don't know, and they didn't tell me anything. They have my email and all that. But what I'm saying is, in those one, it's very important you have someone who can help you with this stuff. You know, most of the YouTubers you see, they are just crypto promoters. They are paid promoters. They are promoting a coin that you think that's what the coin does, and truly that's what that is fully even is working as they said, but truly it's not. Most of them are not. They are just scams. And if you don't know this industry, you just jump on these new coins and other meme coins, and you know, you can just destroy your money, keep destroying your money. And this is what I don't like to see, you know, from anybody, man. I don't care who you are. I just don't like to see people just losing money just because of scams, you know. So it's very important you have someone who can definitely lead you into this market. And if you feel like, you know, I can do this myself, I don't need anybody, okay, just go ahead, learn the hard way, because I have seen that. You know, you learn the hard way, keep losing money, and you know, eventually at the end of the day you will end up going to somebody. And I don't believe in also like telling people like I have a trading stuff for you. Those are all bullshits, guys. You know, seriously, those are all like whoever is selling you trading courses and all that stuff, it's all lies. They're just taking your money. Take it from me, okay? Take it from me. They are just scamming you. None of them, if they know what they're doing, they would have been just focused on that and be doing it, okay? And then at least we will see their net worth on the internet. Today, nothing is hidden. You know, if you make it in the stock market like that, like they're claiming that they can do their, you know, all that advertising that they're doing to sell their courses, If they are that good, come on, the news will write about them. Okay, don't buy into those scams. Yes, you can buy books, try to learn about this, and find a mentor, somebody who know this, who can do it. Not selling you course. Okay, me, I'm saying, I'm very plain with this stuff. I am saying that I want to help you choose a solid crypto or stock market. Have a good portfolio. I call it Fortress portfolio. That way, you know, you are stick with only 3 cryptos or only 3 stocks, and you can be focused on those ones. You can know what is happening, you can control them, you can manage them, and you can have me as a person that you can talk to on like what is happening, and if there is any issues that you have with them, and you have somebody to contact, and then I can talk to you about it. And I also say this, if you don't believe me or anything, connect with me and see. Text me, connect with me, ask me questions. If you talk to me, if I know what I'm talking about, you will know for sure. It wouldn't be a bull. You can smell bullshit. You all have smartness in you, okay? But people sending you courses and all that stuff is something you can take, okay? Yeah, I'm here with my daughter. We just coming to pick up my other daughter, so she's yeah. You got, excuse me with that. Yeah. Yeah, okay. I'll get you cracker after, okay? All right. So, like I'm saying, you have to know this thing, man. Don't let people just scam you. Mine is very clear. I'm not promoting any crypto or any stocks. I'm not the paid promoter. There's lots of them in these big YouTubers. That's what they do. And you know, I'm gonna be working. I'm gonna start editing my channel in a way that to show you these scammers. You know, because I think we should start, you know, calling them out for their scams. Because sometimes they do say that this is a paid advertisement, but sometimes they don't. And you know, new people, newbies, especially my brothers in Africa, get FOMO into this and get scammed for their hard-earned money, and this make me vex. Frankly, I don't like that. I mean, if they are honest to you and then you did that, that's fine because you agreed to that. But if you get fooled, it make me vex. I don't like it. I don't like to see my brothers get fooled and get FOMO'd into just scams. I hate that. That make me vex, man. I don't like that. So, but I will keep saying these things, man. Limit your scope, okay? Stick with only 3 or 2, even 1. You will make money. That's the whole goal, is to make money. Not to own bunch of 100 and not make any money. That's not the goal. I remember, I don't know if the time permit me to say this story. It's a short story anyway, because I used to have a manager. His name is Randy, and we used to have actually Randy is the director, and Keith is the manager, okay? And Keith, in his decks, because I work, you know, in a cubicle, so Keith on his decks, he have a lot of paper stuck in there, okay? So if always when Randy come, he look at Keith's decks and see it's like stack of papers that don't move for like months. So he start thinking, and he make this joke. He say, Keith confuse paper with money. Okay, sorry about that. There is like somebody honing passing through. I don't know what's going on. So Keith stack papers on top of his decks So Randy was insinuating that Kid confused paper with money. People are stacking money. This guy is stacking papers, you know. So I'm just using that example in terms of, bless you, Balu, in terms of you are trying to get more cryptos, like 100 cryptos, and they are just cryptos that are not making you any money. You are confusing that with, you know, the real goal to make money. It's not the amount of cryptos you have. It's not quantity, it's quality. Okay? It's not the quantity of the cryptos. You can own 100 type of cryptos, but if you are not making money, it don't make any sense. Okay? I don't know if this analogy even contrasts, but the fact was, Kid was just stacking papers on his decks. Okay? So Randy feel like maybe he should be stacking money, not the papers. So for me, that is always funny. Anyway, that's the end of it. And I want you guys to know that the market right now, there is uncertainty, especially when they cut the interest rate, and the expectation was that they're gonna cut it more than 25 basis points. And you know, with that, investors are scared, so they are just getting off of risk assets, things like crypto or any other investment they feel like, you know, it's risky. So for now, you know, it's just panic. I have seen these panics many times. Just take advantage of the situation, like I always said, even my yesterday video. But my daughter is getting frustrated, I will say, and tired and demanding cracker. So I have to go. But yeah, till next time, subscribe to this channel, ring that notification bell. That way, whenever I come, and share these videos, man. That way, when I come with a video, you guys are the first to be notified. Okay? Yeah, subscribe. This is P64 Crypto Assets, P64 Financial. So these are the two things: the stock market and the crypto. And I'm a portfolio facilitator. I facilitate in terms of the crypto portfolio and in terms of your stock portfolio. These are two things. These are the two industries I am in, and I have been doing this for a while. I understand this market, and even in my prior video, if you guys go on to them, you will see that I'm shorting the market. I've been telling you guys, when this thing started, I have seen something that make me believe that you should start shorting the market, and I have started shorting them, and I'm in the money. So if you check those videos 3 weeks ago, I have been saying this. I have seen this sign. So I have been in this situation many times. Anyway, I have to go, but till next time, share this video, subscribe, you know, ring that notification bell. That way when I come with a new video, you are forced to be notified. Take care.